If you're a parent of a newborn and running on 3 hours of broken sleep, this video is for you. Tonight, I'm sharing our full nighttime routine, the one that finally helped our baby sleep longer, cry less, and made bedtime peaceful again. No fluff, just real-life steps that work. We start our wind-down routine around 6:30 p.m. That means dimming the lights, lowering noise, and making sure stimulation is minimal. Babies thrive on consistency and cues, and setting the mood signals to their brain, it's time to rest. Around 7:00 p.m., we do a quick warm bath, not every night, but when baby's alert and not overtired. The warm water helps relax their muscles, and the routine helps them recognize that sleep is near. Right after bath, it's feeding time. I make sure baby is calm before feeding, not crying. A calm feed usually means a fuller belly, fewer burps later, and better sleep. We keep the lights dim and the room quiet to avoid overstimulation. Then we change baby's diaper, put on comfy PJs, and use a swaddle, or sleep sack if they don't like swaddling. This step is key. It locks in comfort and warmth and reduces startle reflex that wakes babies up. Next, we turn on a white noise machine. Not too loud, just enough to block random sounds. Then I hold baby and gently rock or bounce in a consistent rhythm. This mimics the womb and helps them transition into sleep. Once baby shows sleepy signs, fluttering eyelids, relaxed hands, slow blinking, I transfer to the crib or bassinet. Here's the trick. I place them down when they're drowsy but still slightly awake. That's helped them learn to fall asleep on their own without needing to be held all night. Here are a few bonus tips that actually helped us. We stopped screen time 1 hour before bed. Yes, even for ourselves. We use the same lullaby every night to signal sleep. We don't wait for full-on crying to start the routine. Early cues are everything. This isn't a miracle routine, but it brought peace to our nights, helped our baby sleep longer stretches, and gave us a little bit of ourselves back. If you're in the thick of newborn life, you're doing amazing. It gets better, and you're not alone. Like this video if it helped. Subscribe for more real baby tips from real parents. Comment below. What part of your night routine saves you every time?